In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track calls in Hubspot. Keeping an accurate record of your calls in Hubspot ensures your whole team stays on the same page, and it makes reporting and follow-ups much easier. We'll walk through the exact flow to log a call directly on a contact record, and I'll point out what to include so your notes are clear and useful. Start by opening your browser, searching for Hubspot, and signing into your account. Use your standard work login and make sure you're on the correct workspace. If you land on a general home screen, that's perfect. You're in the right place. From the main navigation, click CRM. This takes you into the core tools where your records live. Next, choose Contacts. This is where you'll see your list of people. If needed, use the search bar to quickly find the person you spoke with. Click to open the contact you want. You'll land on their record, which includes details on the left and a timeline in the center. On that timeline, select the Activities view to focus on the interactions tied to this contact. This helps you filter out anything that isn't relevant right now. Within Activities, switch to the Calls section. You'll see call-related items here, and this is also where you can add a new entry. Click Log. Call to open the call editor. Now add the details. Set the date and time so it reflects when the conversation actually happened. You can backdate it if you're logging after the fact. Choose the call outcome, such as connected, no answer, or left voicemail. In the notes area, write a concise summary: who you spoke with, the purpose of the call, key points discussed, decisions made, and any objections or questions that came up. Include the next step and the expected time frame, like send proposal by Friday or schedule demo next week. If duration is available, add it for completeness. Keep the language clear and professional, and avoid adding any sensitive personal information. Before saving, double-check that the call is associated with the correct contact and, if visible, the right record context. When everything looks good, click Log Call. Your call is now saved to the timeline under Calls. You can return to this view anytime to review what was said, and you can edit the entry later if you need to clarify something. That's it. By consistently navigating to CRM, opening contacts, selecting your contact, going to Activities, choosing calls, and using Log Call to capture accurate notes and an outcome, you'll maintain a reliable call history that supports better follow-ups and cleaner reporting.